This game is called Roll 2, 1 to 6. The goal of this game is to match and combine the numbers rolled on the dice to turn over all the cards. In this game, we'll use 2 dice with only 1, 2, and 3 dots. These don't go all the way up to 6 like regular dice. You can make these dice by drawing dots on any cube-shaped object. We'll also use the 1 to 6 cards. So just like in Roll 1, we'll gather a set of 1 through 6 cards for each player and shuffle them. Then you can ask each child to put their cards in order from 1 to 6, and we can observe and ask questions as they do this. In this game, you'll be rolling 2 dice. I roll and I get a 3 and a 2. That means I can turn over my 3 card and 2 card, or I can add them together and turn over my 5 card. And so this game has a lot of math practice for kids. First, they're recognizing 2 and 3 on the dice, and then they're connecting those numbers to the numerals and the patterns on the cards. And they're also practicing combining the dice, in this case, to make 5. Kids may have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to know that these together make 5, and that's great. Or they may immediately recognize the 3 and the 2 on the dice, but not know that together they make 5. In that case, you can encourage them to count on from 2 or 3. Counting on is the idea that if you have 3 plus 2, instead of starting at 1 and counting all the way up to 5, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we count on from 2 or 3. So in this case, we could count on from 3 by counting 4, 5. And this is an important skill to practice when learning addition. Okay, so with a 3 and a 2, let's say I decide to turn over my 2 card and my 3 card. Now I'll roll again. If I can't turn over a card on my next roll, I pass the dice to the next player. Then my partner rolls and gets a 2 and a 2, so they could turn over their 2 or add them together by counting on 3, 4, and turn over their 4 card. Sometimes we play that if you roll doubles, you can choose which card you want to turn over, like a wild roll. This also helps speed the game up since you'll spend less time rolling for those last cards. The game ends when all players have turned over all of their cards. It's great for young kids to get lots of experience with small numbers. Experience with numbers 1 to 5 sets them up to work with numbers 1 to 10, and then to 20, and then 100. To continue this game, check out Roll 2, 1 to 12, which adds a new level of complexity.